Dear students, now let us do the second algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equations in two variables. That is the elimination method. Now we call this elimination method because we eliminate one variable first to get a linear equation in one variable. So let us take the first question. The two equations are x plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 4. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now what I have told, we have to eliminate either x or y. Now how do we eliminate? We eliminating first by making the coefficient of x or y equal. Now as you can see, when we take the coefficient, we do not consider the signs. Now here we can see the numerical coefficient is 1 and here also it is 1. Here also we can see it is 1 and 1. Now should we add or subtract? Now if I add both the equation, that is equation 1 plus equation 2, what do I get? X plus x will give us 2x. 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. Now what have we done? We have eliminated one of the variables to get a linear equation in one variable. Now x is equal to 18 by 2, that is equal to 9. Now substitute x equal to 9 in either equation 1 or 2. I will be substitute in equation 1. What do we get here? It is x plus y is equal to 14. That means 9 plus y equal to 14. We get here y is equal to 14 minus 9, that is equal to 5. So here we get x equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. Once again, why do we call this elimination method? Because we are eliminating one of the variables to get a linear equation in one variable and then solving it. Now let us do the second question. Here the equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Second equation is 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Now here we can see the coefficient of both the variables are not equal. So one of them we will make it equal. Now first we find out which is easier to make. Equal. Now here we can see coefficient of y, in the first case it is 4 and here it is 2. We will not take the minus sign into consideration. Now if when I multiply 2 by 2, it will become 4. So the second equation we multiply by 2. When you multiply the second equation by 2, what do we get? We'll get here 4x, 2 into 2 will give me 4y is equal to 4. And the first equation we write it as it is. Okay, now should we add or subtract this equation? We see here it is plus and minus, so we will add it. When I add it, what I get? 4 plus 3 will give us 7x. Here y gets eliminated. 10 plus 4 is 14. X equal to 14 by 7, that is equal to 2. Now substituting x equal to 2 in equation 1 or 2. We'll once again substitute in equation 1. That is 3x, that means 3 into 2 plus 4y, that will give us 10. 6 plus 4y is equal to 10. 4y will give us 4, that means y is equal to 1. Here the solution is x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. The third sum, both the equations are 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. The second is 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Okay, we make the coefficient of any one of the variable equal. Here it is easier to make the coefficient of x equal. Here we have got 3 and 9. What is the LCM of 3 and 9? It is 9. Here already we have got 9. 3 to become 9, we have to multiply it by 3. So what will be the first equation? 3 into 3 gives us 9x. 3 into minus 5 will give us minus 15y. And 3 into 4 gives us 12. Next, the second equation we write it down as it is. here we see that both the 9x are positive. So if we add, they will not get cancelled. So what we should do? We should subtract the equation. Now subtraction means what? Changing the sign. The plus here becomes minus, the minus becomes plus, and here plus becomes minus. 9x minus 9x means this term will get eliminated. Minus 15 plus 2 will give us minus 13y, and here 12 minus 7 will give us 5. Y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Now substitute. Y is equal to minus 5 by 13 in equation 1. Now what do we get here? The first equation is 3x minus 5y. In place of y we write minus 5 by 13 is equal to 4. This gives us 3x plus 25 by 13 is equal to 4. This gives us 3x is equal to 4 minus 25 by 13. Here the LCM is 13. We get here 52 minus 25. That will give us 27 by 13. X equal to 27 by 13 divided by 3. Here we have got 3 ones are 3 nines are. So we get here 9 by 13. So we get the solution x equal to 9 by 13 and y is equal to minus 5 by 13. The next question, 5x plus 3y is equal to 35. 2x plus 4y is equal to 28. First equation and second equation. Now here we will make the coefficient of x equal. Here we have got 5 and here we have got 2. We find LCM of 5 and 2, that is equal to 10. So in the first equation we multiply by 2 because 2 into 5 will give us 10, and second equation multiply by 5 because 5 into 2 will give us 10. Now what does the first equation become? It becomes 10x plus 6y is equal to 17. Second equation becomes 10x plus 20y is equal to 140. Now since the sign of both the x terms are equal, what we'll do, we'll subtract the equation. That is, this becomes minus, minus and a minus. The x term will get eliminated. Here we'll get minus 14y is equal to minus 17. That is, y is equal to 5. Now substitute. Y is equal to 5 in equation 1. What do you get? 5x plus 3y. In place of y we write 5 is equal to 35. That is 5x plus 15 is equal to 35. This will give us 5x is equal to 20, x equal to 4. So what is the solution? X equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Now the fifth question, 8x plus 5y is equal to 9 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Here I will make the coefficient of y equal because I find that easier. First equation and second equation. Now we have got here coefficient of y is 5 and here 2. LCM of 5 and 2 is equal to 10. So the first equation should be multiplied by 2. 5 into 2 is 10. And the second equation should be multiplied by 5 because 2 into 5 is 10. Now let us continue. What you get here? Multiply by 2. You will get here 16x plus 10y is equal to 18. Here you get 15x plus 10y is equal to 20. Now as you see, here also both the signs are same. So we will subtract both the equation. That is, this becomes minus, here it becomes minus, and here also it becomes minus. This will give us x, 10y minus 10y will get eliminated. This is equal to minus 2. Now substitute. X equal to minus 2 In equation 2, because that is more easier, equation 2 is 3x, that means 3 into minus 2 plus 2y is equal to 4. We get here minus 6 plus 2y is equal to 4. 2y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 5. What is the solution we get here? X equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. Before we go into the next method of solving pair of linear equation in two variables, let us see how easily can we solve a pair of linear equation in the form ax plus by is equal to c and bx plus ay is equal to d. We have been given a pair of linear equation. Here you can see coefficient of x in the first equation is equal to coefficient of y in the second equation. Same way, coefficient of y in the first equation is equal to coefficient of x in the second equation. There is an easier way to solve it, so let us learn how to solve it by taking example. Here the equations are 152x minus 378y is equal to minus 74. This is the first equation. Second equation, minus 378x plus 152y is equal to minus 604. Now before we start with the method that we have learned, that is substitution and elimination, first we will add both the equation, that is equation 1 plus equation 2. This will give us, here minus 226x minus 226y is equal to minus 678. As you can see, minus 226 is common, so let us simplify the equation. This will become x plus y is equal to 3. This will be your third equation. Now next step is, in the first step we added both the equation, now we will subtract. That is equation 1 minus equation 2. Now when I do subtraction, what happens? The sign of the second equation will change. That is minus will become plus, plus will become minus, and here minus will become plus. So what do you get the equation? Here it is plus plus, we will get here 530x. Here it is minus minus, we add, we get here minus 530y. Here you can see minus plus, we will get here 530. Once again you can see 530 is common, so let us simplify. X minus y is equal to 1. This becomes your fourth equation. Now we will take the third and the fourth equation into consideration. That is x plus y is equal to 3 and x minus y equal to 1. Now this we can solve by substitution method, elimination method or cross multiplication method. But we can see here elimination method is easy. So we will do that. We will add x plus x is 2x. Y minus 1, y is eliminated, 3 plus 1, 4, x equal to 2. Now substitute. X equal to 2 in equation 3. We will not substitute in equation 1 and 2 because it will be lengthy. We will substitute in equation 3 or 4. What you have got here 3, x plus y, that is 2 plus y is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. So your solution is x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. When the equation is of the form ax plus by is equal to c and bx plus ay equal to d, we have to see that a is not equal to b. Okay, now let's do the second question. It is solved. 47x plus 31y is equal to 63. 31x plus 47y is equal to 50. As you can see, coefficient of x in the first equation is equal to coefficient of y in the second equation. Same way, coefficient of y in the first equation is equal to coefficient of x in the second equation. What is the first thing that we do? We have to add both the equations. Adding will give us 78x plus 78y is equal to 78. Simplify. By simplifying, we'll get x plus y is equal to 1. This becomes equation 3. Now what we should do? Subtract. Equation 1 minus equation 2. Minus means we change the sign. That means here it becomes minus, minus, and a minus here also. This will give us 16x minus 16y is equal to 48. Simplify it, you'll get x minus y is equal to 3. This is your fourth equation. Now, as I said, we'll be solving equation 3 and 4. We can do it by any method, that is substitution method, elimination method, or cross multiplication method. Now here, elimination method is easy, so I will do that. What you're supposed to do? You're supposed to add both the equation. X plus x will give us 2x. Y is eliminated, is equal to 4. X equal to 2. Now substitute. X equal to 2 in equation 3. What is the third equation? X plus y, that means 2 plus y is equal to 1. Y is equal to minus 1. So your solution will be x equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1.